If you're experiencing a sensor connection error on SentinelOne 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Restart the SentinelOne service. Go to your System Services Management console, find the SentinelOne service and restart it. This can often resolve temporary connection issues. Step 2. Check internet connectivity. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or disrupted connection can lead to sensor errors. Test your connection by browsing other websites or using network diagnostics. Step 3. Verify firewall settings. Check your firewall settings to ensure that SentinelOne is allowed to communicate through the network. Look for any rules that might be blocking the application and adjust them accordingly. Step 4. Update SentinelOne. Make sure that you are running the latest version of SentinelOne. Check for updates within the application or download the latest version from the official website, as updates may fix known issues. Step 5. Reinstall SentinelOne. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling SentinelOne. This can help reset the application and resolve any underlying issues that may be causing the connection error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the sensor connection error on SentinelOne 2026. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to SentinelOne support for further assistance.